Hey, I'm about to show you my bunker for my airsoft games and all that stuff. So, how would I show you my bunker? So we have the tarped roof, and then here's the entrance. It goes down, you have a nice dug hole right there. Yeah, chili blocks, let's jump in there. So here you are, sitting here in the bunker. It's probably a one-man, two-man bunker. Little space, but it is getting some adjustments right now. You can see anyone that tries to come up the hill. Quick turnaround. You can see anybody trying to run down the hill. Let's get a far away view of the front. Okay, so front view.